Oh yeah. Welcome savages, savage family, and savage maniacs. Still in Japan. Still loving Japan. Japan is pretty cool. Uh you can see we got Domino's today. Domino's got some crazy pizza in Japan, so I just wanted to check them out. They had a deal. It was like buy one get two free, which is crazy. You wouldn't get this, but these pizzas are pretty small. This is a small. This is your normal regular small. Go ahead and get you a good look at that pizza right there. Let me get the look. This here's the, can't pronounce it. It's Guru pizza. It's pretty much just beef rib, cheese, and green peppers. So let's go ahead and bite this and see what we get to. Them get this piece right here. Fresh today. Hey man, the delivery guy didn't even want to take the tip. Tipping is not something that is normal here, but I told him to take the tip anyway. Only gave him 300 yen. It ain't that much, but you can tell that they don't tip. But yeah, this is the first taste of the pizza. Okay. I mean, yeah, nothing special. The dough is soft. You really don't taste the beef that much. I'm gonna say for this one, if I had to rate it, I'd give it a 6.5. Try this one again. Cheese pull. You see the cheese pull? Okay, that one tastes better. Look like, oh, it got garlic on it too. You see these garlic slices right here? Yeah, that's good. Okay. All right. That's the first pizza. Y'all see how they seal this too? I love it. All right, second pizza, still a small. This here, I can tell you for sure when I open it. Oh yeah, this is the Quattro pizza. Margarita, American. I forgot the other two. Hold on, I can tell you the other two. Looking at my phone. The Quattro is actually the Quattro 4. Give you 4 different pizzas in one. Yeah, okay, so the 4 pieces that you're seeing here is the Quattro 4, which is mayo shrimp, margarita, Domino's Deluxe, and the grilled charcoal chicken pizza. I can see now that's the margarita. That's probably the spicy mayo. No, I'm sorry. That's the spicy mayo. I can see the shrimp right there. And then that's the deluxe. So this one has to be the grilled charcoal. So let's try each one of these. See, we're gonna go with the classic margarita. I mean, everybody don't make these correctly, but let's see. Okay. It's not too bad. Okay, that's actually pretty good. If I had to rate that one, I'd give that one 7. Well, that's a 7. Alright. And then this one here has to be the grilled choco. And this one got, let's see what we got. Corn, chicken. Yep, let's see. Oh man. Ooh, that's really good. Oh man, I should have got a whole piece of that one. If I have to rate that one, wow. That's an 8. That's an 8 all day. Alright, let's try the deluxe. Let me get a slice that's not been close to your other pizza. This is your typical American green peppers, mushrooms, pepperoni, sausage, cheese. This should be like your regular, nothing too crazy. Yep. It's your standard American pizza. Yeah, I have to rate that one. Give it a 7. And then the last one, spicy mayo. Oh, oh no, oh no, no 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 no, no no no, no 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 no. I mean, that's just not, that don't mix right. I'm sorry. That last one, that's a 4. Jesus Christ. And then this last one is a large. This is your crazy volcano pizza. Oh, oh, you see that? Y'all see that? Look at that. 4 pieces in one. Oh man, I got shrimp. Oh man, this is gonna suck. I got shrimp. This again is just 4 pieces in one. Oh, shrimp on a pizza. I'm not happy about that. Let me give you the names of this one too. Oh man, I'm not happy about that shrimp, you guys. Maybe this tastes better. Maybe it's not the same one. Yeah, I got the. I'm trying to see what's in it. Oh, well, the website doesn't really tell me what 4 pieces are in this one. But as you can see, this one has shrimp, spinach, tomatoes. That look like calamari. Let me. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's oh And then that's beef and garlic. That's pretty much the same pieces you seen first. This one is ham, corn, tomato, spinach. And this is your. You know how bacon. That's bacon, but that's ham. That's not bacon. That's not American bacon. Alright, so we have the bacon, sausage, pepperoni. We're right there in the middle. See it, cheese. So pretty much what you do is, this is their large. This kind of looks like a large, so I'm not gonna ding them on that one. But all right, get this one right here, and you're supposed to dip it in. Oh man. Man, cheese make everything so much better. Let's dip that again. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright. I'm gonna try one more of these. Dipping in that pizza was good with the cheese. Let's go. Oh my god. Why not? Listen, if you like shrimp on your pizza and seafood on your pizza, kudos to you. I thought I would, but I'm saying now that was a bad decision. But let's see if the cheese can save it and make it better. Cheese supposed to make everything better. I'm not sure about this one. Get that. Nope. Even the cheese don't save that one. Alright, yeah. That sucks. Alright, so for the volcano pizza, I'm gonna give it a 7 because I know these other ones right here are going to be good dipped in cheese because pretty much your regular toppings except the spinach in there. You know what? Let's try the spinach for the video too. Try to spin it for the video too, see what we get. Well, there you have it. This is Domino's crazy volcano pizza from Japan. I'm gonna try to get some more fast food here, because you just don't see the stuff that you see here in America. So this is my opportunity to film this. I thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that below. And oh yeah, we out, savages.